Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in today. This is DIY Design by CCW. My name is Candy. Today, guys, I am participating in the Tablescape Sunday collaboration, and this one is the Purple Mother's Day collaboration, purple themed Mother's Day brunch collaboration, I should say. Now, the host for this collaboration this week is Diva Decorating, and her name is Geraldine, and her four co-hosts are Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Cynthia Shesobless, Mysterious Alberta, and me, myself, in DIYing it. And her name's Tammy. So please go down, check the links to their channels, show those ladies some love if you will. Make sure you also visit the playlist because you would see tons of other tablescapes. We have some ladies out there that they do some fantastic work. So please go down and do that if you will. Now, I want to tell you briefly about what I did here for my take on the Mother's Day brunch, or the purple Mother's Day brunch tablescape, and then I'll let you go back to enjoying the tablescape. Now, what I'm doing here is honoring my two mothers. I have a biological mother and my grandmother. My mom was very young when I was born, so I ended up being raised by my grandmother. Now, you know, both of these women were fantastic women. They were different, and they each, I can see some of them or part of them in me. In other words, I have a little bit from each of them. My mom, she had me young, but she also died young. She was 44 when she left, when she departed this life, and just suddenly had an aneurysm. She wasn't sick or anything like that. Just happened, all of a sudden. But my mom was the original glam girl. She was feisty. She was fun. She didn't take any what. But I miss her. She was my best friend. And I truly wish she was here today, to have this Mother's Day brunch. Now, my other mother, my grandmother, I lived with her for most of, my childhood. She raised me, and she was a beautiful, God-fearing woman, and she loved home decor. She was always decorating and cleaning and changing the curtains and the pillows and all that. And we would just look at her. I mean, we didn't know why she did all that. Every Saturday, she had us up, cleaning and doing chores. But she was a beautiful, fantastic woman. And God rest her soul. She left this world, or departed this life, rather, in 2014. And I miss her. But anyway, I just wanted to explain to you, what I was doing or thinking about when I put this tablescape together. Now, the colors we were supposed to use, purple obviously, but we could use any accent color we wanted. Now, I don't have a lot of purple, so you see that I did a lot of silver with pops of purple. And we were also supposed to have food items, which you'll see that I have. And we could also tell you a little something about our mothers, which I just did. And really, that was some of the main things. And then basically, obviously, we were to have some fun. So again, I'm going to be quiet now, let you enjoy this tablescape a little bit more. But I also want to say that if you're not a member of this channel, I really hope that you'll consider doing that today. Click the subscription button. Make sure you click that notifications bell. Look, if you love home decor, DIYs, hauls, you name it, then you're in the right place. So again, thank you so much for watching. And you know what I always say, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.